What's up, guys? Guess where I am? I just came back to Hong Kong for just a really quick holiday because I got some stuff to sort out for family and stuff. But this does not stop me from pursuing my dream, which is reacting to my lovely Koreans. So today we have Jessica Summer Storm official music video reaction for you guys, obviously, because it's 10 years for SNSD. Now Jessica's gonna come back as well. 10 years, coincident, whatever. Let's get right into it because Jessica's my babe. I don't rather be alone, actually. Really smooth beat going on here. Kind of some lavender tree, bro. You and I, who am I? What a lucky dude. I want to go, like, have a drink, have a little party with Jessica. Oh my god. You can blow me if you get what I mean. Ooh, I like this part. Is what we're looking for. Springtime! No, autumn. I'm really bad with my seasons. I'm sorry. I guess I have to season myself a little bit. She looks short too. Oh my god. How old is she now? 20, 25, 26? Where do you get one of those? If anyone knows where to get the snow thing, tell me, okay? Oh, some Cheerios got dropped on the floor. Oh, she actually have a lot of friends, eh? These girls don't look Korean, they look Thai. Like, the chick on the right looks like Thai. That's it. My birthday's coming up. I'm gonna do a similar party. I'm just gonna trash my place without being drunk. That's what it seems like. Oh, boyfriend's here! Boyfriend's here! At least you made it, right? When everything's trashed off. Now she can have a good sleep. Sleep not still for your boy. Yes, that's it. Summer Storm by Jessica. What do you guys think of it? I really loved it. I'm not sure what you guys think about it. And Jessica has always been super cute. My little bias in SNSD, even though I love Yuna. And again, I know people don't like me or anyone to put Jessica and SNSD all the time together. But at the same time, you can't get rid of the fact that they started that way. And it will always be the same for me in my heart. So yeah, you know, you can't really say anything about it because Jessica is like the one. Anyways, make sure to comment, subscribe, and like this video. I'll see you guys next time. This is Hung Up from Hong Kong. Cheers!